walking and enjoying the beautiful country. Here I'm on the pedestrian street. Last time for this trip. Hopefully not my last time ever, because this country is amazing and I'm so enjoying myself here. So I just want to say good morning, and I'm prepping to get on the high speed to go to Shenzhen for more meetings. So the weather this morning is absolutely amazing. So thank you for letting me come to your beautiful country, and I enjoy being back.